So you might wonder how to combine melodies and chords when you play neo-soul guitar. Well, let's have a look. So you need to start from understanding the chords. So the first chord was an A flat 6, A flat major 7, then a G7, going to a C minor, okay, C minor 7, and then there was a 2-5 to come back to A flat major 7, so B flat minor 7, E flat 7. Now let's embellish these chords and play some phrases, some licks in between. So we are in the key of C minor, so let's start phrasing with the C minor blues scale, okay, the minor pentatonic with the blue note. Okay, so after playing the first chord, we can play, okay, this typical bluesy phrase. Okay, then we move to the second chord, the G7, where we play another hammer-on, another embellishment between, you know, the sharp 5 and the minor 7. We then continue with the C natural minor scale, you know, just a phrase on the C natural minor scale using a little bit of palm muting before hitting the C minor, which is the 1, okay, the tonic of the key. I play another position then of a C minor 7 chord. I strum until the second string, play a typical double hammer-on the 1, so on the second and first string, like. And then I prepare, you know, the 2, 5 to come back to the first chord, to A flat. So I'm playing, as we said, B flat minor 7 and E flat 7. So I play the B flat minor 7 with this typical, very typical neo-soul phrase, okay, where you see the minor 7 chord extended to the 9th, so minor 9, and then you just continue through the minor pentatonic of that chord, the B flat minor pentatonic, and then for the E flat 7, I'm thinking of it as an alternate dominant 7 chord, so I'm only seeing it as an E flat 7 flat 9, and I only play the bottom part of it, which is the G diminished 7th, which then I can slide by 3 half steps into a B flat diminished 7th, and this is still the same chord, still an E flat 7 flat 9, okay, to go back to the first chord, the A flat major 7. So again, this second part of the first half goes like, okay, then you come back, play the same bluesy phrase, okay, same hammer-on the G7, but then here we play this time double stops, all on the C minor pentatonic scale, okay, and C natural minor scale, to then play the C minor 7 chord, you know, the 1, again, the tonic, and this time we play the same thing that we did on the B flat minor 7, but on the C minor 7, so, you know, the same very common neo-soul lick on minor 7, minor 9th chord, because we are extending this minor 7, C minor 7 to a minor 9, and then just play a little with the minor pentatonic. Then I play 2 small chords. They are basically an F minor 11 and G minor 11, so part of these 2 chords, 4 minor and 5 minor, like that, okay? And then I end on another double stop phrase based on the C minor pentatonic scale. Okay, this is very Hendrix, very rock, blues and soul. To then play this diminished triad, which is part of an E flat 7, which is the 5, to come back to A flat major 7, first chord of our chord progression. So let's do it slowly now. chord again. Guys, if you want to download a full tab of this arrangement, you're gonna find it on my Patreon page. The link is in the description. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, please make sure to hit the like button. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.